Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're locked out of your QuickBooks Online account or just want to update your password for better security, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to reset or change your QuickBooks Online password in quickly, safely, and without any confusion. So stay tuned till the end to make sure you don't miss any important steps. First, open your browser and head over to the official QuickBooks Online homepage. Click on Sign In at the top right corner. If you already know your login details, just enter your email and password as usual. But if you've forgotten your email, check your previous emails or receipts from QuickBooks. They usually send them to the registered address you used out when signing up. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right of your dashboard. You'll see your profile photo or account icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. This is where most of your account management tools are located. From that drop-down, choose Manage Your Intuit Account. This will redirect you to the Intuit Account Management page, the central place where you can handle all your login details, security settings, and personal info tied to QuickBooks. Here, find and click Change Password. Now, create a strong, secure password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You'll notice a small on-screen indicator showing how strong your password is. Aim for the strong level for maximum protection. Once you have entered your new password, retype it in the confirmation box, then click Save. QuickBooks will process the update, and within seconds, you'll receive a confirmation message saying your password has been successfully updated. That's it. Your account is now secured with a brand new password. And that's how you reset or change your QuickBooks Online password quick, simple, and 100% secure. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.